He comes here early in the morning and he goes right there to the garbage containers, trying to make sure they're clean. And as the way he goes, he picks up litter. That's what he does every morning.
I volunteered for a long time. When I get here, I start working. Keep the place clean. Do a little bit of everything. Trash, rake up a little bit, and make sure the garbage is clean. And
he likes to see this area clean for the people who comes to the city hall and to look at this beautiful park. He loves to do it. He loves to work. That's his passion, you know. So when I see him, I feel happy. I feel good. Come on, Bill, let's go, you know, and we motivate each other. And he's my best volunteer worker. It makes a lot of difference when Bill is around here. He's a good man.